I'm here to encourage sports, fitness, and MCS is here to do tournaments with your support and your presence and your blessings regularly. So we are coming up with 3 seasons this year. This is a 2-day tournament which is at Juhu PVR. It's Joy Freedom Cup, and there are 8 teams, as you all might have heard of. And the next season will be coming in November, which is a 10 ka Dam. The winning prize would be 10 lakhs. There would be 12 teams. It's an overarm season cricket tournament, and it's a very tennis cricket tournament. And we have a leather ball cricket tournament again coming up in December, which we had done last year, which was at Marine Lines. It was on the lines of Hong Kong Super Sixes. So that's a single day tournament, and I'm sure that we all love cricket, we all enjoy cricket. But the point is that we should, once we come in the team, we should get to play it, you know. We should not come there and just be around and not enjoy ourselves, play the spirit, the feeling which we have inside, because we all are so busy in work, we hardly get time to interact. Either we go to the party, lounge, or dinner or something like that, but there's nothing which has a reason to connect us. So cricket is a wonderful sport which gives us a very good reason to connect. Initially when I started the road was quite difficult, but the journey was very beautiful, you know. And let's not forget that I need to really thank my good friend Mr. Junaid Sharif. He's always been with me. He stood by me unconditionally in this world, you know, where things look different and are different. He has been. His surname is Vision because he has a lot of vision, but he's a brother to me, so he's always been with me. So I thank each and every one, like Radius, you know, our title sponsors in the first 2 seasons, which they did not question anything about me and they just stood by me. So in life, when you start a new venture and people are with you, you really feel very touched. So I personally thank each one of them. And this theme song I wanted because whenever I used to make a video, you know, and post it, there has to be some other song. So I needed a theme song, and I will be coming with a song every 6 months for MCS. So you will see a lovely song.
Very good and sounds good too. So Joy Freedom Cup. It is something amazing, and I thank so like wishing everybody over here a very joyous cricketing days that are coming up this weekend. I'm actually down with a very bad infection, but you know, I just didn't want to miss this positivity and you know, all the support each and every one of you all have taken time come here. So I'm very thankful for that, and see you at the games. Take care.
rigorous tournaments. They actually bring a lot of entertainment, a lot of fun in the sport. I'm looking forward to a similar event this weekend.
Okay, since it's a 2 days event, which team are you supporting?
Of course, the Spartans, and they are going to win for sure.
Okay, I would like to ask you that who do you think is the toughest competition for you?
Well, the Spartans have won the last event and have shown that they can beat other teams with a big margin. So I'm really looking forward. I believe we're still going to win this time with a big margin.
Okay, ma'am. What would you like to say?
Okay, as he said, even I'm a supporter of Spartan team and really looking forward to this game and just want Spartan to win for that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Meekamari Properties, MCS. We are here to play cricket, sports, and have a good networking, good bonding, play fair, clean cricket. So you'll be seeing this cricket season's tournaments coming regularly during the year. This year we have hat-trick of tournaments coming up. So we will play Hong Kong Super Sixes, which will be a leather ball tournament. Then we have a hard tennis overarm cricket with a 12 team with a winning prize of 10 lakhs, 10 ka dam. And now we have a Freedom Cup with Joy Freedom Cup. Joy, this is Mr. Bhaven Bhai. He speaks less, but he works more. So I'm sure he's a little conscious, but he'll speak quite good now. They are developers in Juhu, Joy Group. They have very good projects and they have delivered projects on time and given delivery of top quality. So I would like him to say a few words.
What is the main motive behind this?
Okay, main motive behind this is connecting, connecting people, meeting people, making new friends. We all are so busy in the life, the time is flying day by day, the weeks are, going so fast. We hardly get time to meet, interact with each other on a positive note. Either we go in a party or a lounge or a marriage or a birthday, but cricket or any sport is a good platform to connect. So I feel this is a platform for making new friends, for connecting with new people and meeting the old ones, playing game, having the thrill, the excitement. So cricket, I feel, is a very entertaining sport, as loved all over India. So this is the main purpose, is to connect with people and have a little more excitement and take the kid out of you.
What do you see the association? How do you see the entire association?
Association with Vicky Bhai is extremely love. It's like we are doing an IPL. It's an international IPL, and Vicky Bhai is one person doesn't see anything. If we want to do one thing, he will do 2+, 3+. It's not like he will compromise anywhere. And being associated with MCS, last season also I had done it.
Yes.
It was a superb game over there. And this time I was also motivated by Vicky Bhai get at least do a title. But this time he motivated me to put up a team. I think I'll also play this
team. Is playing, Joy Legend, he himself is playing.
Yeah.
Last time when he had sponsored the tournament, we had crossed 15 lakh views. You can see on Tennis Cricket, Facebook, YouTube. We had, around 1,000 people on the Kharjim Khana ground. So we are here to play good cricket, to show fair, clean cricket.
It's cricket. Yeah.
How is the procedure actually? How did you pick up the team? How did people come together?
See, our friends, we have business associates, our friends who have the same love for cricket. So they come with their team name, like there is Spartan Poker team, there is Viking Warriors, there is Econ Stars, there is Mumbai Dreams. So they all have their set of players, they have their friends playing with them, so they make their own team. Then in some tournament we have auctions where we auction players according to the category A, B, C, D. You have different criteria to make a team, and in all these different formats we try to make it more interesting. The rules are different according to the pitch. Like today this is monsoon season, so we are having a covered roof, so that it has its own restrictions. So those rules are laid out, and we are trying to make it more interesting. You will watch it live on 7 Star and YouTube. And I'm sure that once you watch the underarm cricket in a covered roof, you will really enjoy it. It's very thrilling.
All the teams are from Mumbai, or it's like you have...
All are right now from Mumbai, and that's why it's called Mumbai Cricket Stars. Then we have also a scheme in which we are making teams according to different stations, like we have Santa Cruz, Khar, Andheri, Parla, Vikhroli. So we will have teams according to the locations. The umbrella is quite big. It's Mumbai Cricket Stars. So teams from different locations we will take next year, so that they enroll with us and we have a tournament on a different platform.
Okay, you both have your own teams.
Yeah, we both have own teams.
Do you feel that do you have any competition between you both?
No, we are one. Joy. I am Khushi, he is Joy. So Joy and Khushi meaning is one.
Okay, so who do you think is the toughest competition in this 8 games for you? Like
Everyone is a competition. We can't decide now. Who will come up, we don't know.
All teams are equally strong. Everyone has given their best efforts, and everyone is here to play good cricket, to enjoy cricket. Of course, once you play, you want to win it, so everyone would like to win it. But the purpose here is that everyone playing should enjoy it. That is the main prime concern.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you.
अर्जुन यहाँ पे देखिए विकी सर स्ट्रेट सामने यहाँ पे सामने सबको एक बार सामने
King Warriors, my name is Wasim. Now you can ask.
Yeah, just give your introduction. I'm Musliman, how much are you confident with your team?
Confident, I am very confident. We have a good team, but at the end of the day, it depends on the field. Best team wins the game.
How do you look forward to that tournament actually? Joy के साथ कैसे जुड़ेंगे आप?
Well, I have known Mr. Kandari, Mr. Navid Bhai since 2 years, 3 years now. We've played a lot of tournaments together. That's how I know them.
What's your motive behind this thing actually?
Just to enjoy the game. That's it. Just to enjoy the game. You've been working all along. When cricket comes along, and it's like family and friends. Plus my family comes down to watch every game we play. That's basically fun for us.
You are one of the owners in 7 Stars also.
Yeah.
Live telecast.
Right. The 7 Star, we are a cable television company. We operate right from the suburbs, from Andheri till Kolaba and town and so on. So we're having this event live on our cable network. Let's see.
So we've been associated with MCS from their season 1 when it started 3 years back. But we were representing a team that time. But from the second season, we've been the team owners in that tournament. So yeah, we've been always happy with Vicky Bhai and Junaid Bhai. And Junaid Bhai is my childhood friend as well. So it's a very good journey. It's really nice.
How confident are you when it comes to working, playing?
So unfortunately, we've never won the cup. But yes, we've definitely been the finalist and the semi-finalist. And I do have a strong team. I hope that they perform to the will. We've been playing competitive underarm and overarm cricket for a while now. And let's see. I mean,
since you have already played before also, who do you think are the toughest competition?
So in our group, all the 4 teams are the toughest, which like us, we've also won for a few tournaments. All Monsters has also won a few tournaments. Mumbai Greens has also just recently lost a tournament, but yeah, they're also a very good team. And I guess even Joy has a new team, so every new team is a challenge.
Thank you so much.
Team Wash and Dry is our team. So I belong to Sapphire group of companies, kind of a diversified company where we are primary business construction and we are into the hospitality business for the past 25 years where we have restaurants, hotels in Dubai and restaurants over here as well. Last week we started with a new restaurant. And our latest business, our latest venture is the Wash and Dry laundry app, which will be launching within a week or so. It's basically door-to-door laundry services all over Mumbai. We were in this industry since the past 40 years and just thought of expanding it, getting into the market with the change, launching an app for it, which will be coming next week. That's the reason we've named our team Wash and Dry and, just kind of promoting it and all of that. Thank you so much. Yeah. I know Sportino Events very well. Sportino Events has been a part of us since a very long time. Kazim Merchant, Zishan Ali Wakil, they know us since a very long time. And Mr. Kandari as well knows my dad pretty well. So that's how we've got in touch with them. And it's a really good initiative getting everyone together, the teams. And it's such a good spirit where we actually celebrate it together.
Okay, how much confident are you when it comes to being playing?
So I'm pretty confident so far. Let's see how it works out. We have a good team. We've prepared for it. We've done practice sessions. Let's see now how it works out. With the spirit of cricket, we want to play fair. And let's see where up we go.
Do you play yourself in fact? Like you're such a young guy.
Yeah, I play, but not so professionally because here there are a lot of professional players. I used to play a lot. But now since a long time I've got into work, so I don't play it that well. Thank you so much.
theme is, as we all know, 15th August, we are approaching 15th August. So the cup name is Freedom Cup, on the lines of independence, and Joy Builders being our title sponsor. Hence this tournament is named as Joy Freedom Cup. And obviously you guys know that it's been organized by Mumbai cricket stars Mr. Vicky Kandari and Mr. Junaid Sharif. And the entire tournament, whatever happens at MCS, all the cricketing events, that is being conceptualized and managed by Sportino Events, that's Kazim Merchant and myself, Zishan Merchant. And talking about excitement, it's going to be fun because there are lots of professional players playing underarm cricket these days. Cricket is on a roll. Turf cricket has become one of the famous things in Bombay these days. So yes, turf cricket is, everybody is looking at turf cricket, and we have 8 fantastic teams, and you cannot predict a winner at this stage because all 8 teams are very fantastic and they've been playing cricket all round it.
This is definitely going to be a platform for the youngsters, in fact, like a good platform. But in your way, how are you going to groom them, and how are you going to uplift also, in fact, like there are players who are really, as you said, how are you going to take them?
Correct. See, as I told you earlier, there are lots of professional players who are playing underarm cricket these days, and there are youngsters, as you're talking about, youngsters coming up. So these youngsters are in collaboration with the professional players in each team. So like for example, there's a young kid just 15 years old. He's playing this tournament with a person who's 20 years old and he's been playing underarm cricket for 12 years. So he's in this team, the experience is being shared just like Indian cricket team where youngsters, the people who are debut, people who come in for debut, they get this exposure with these kind of players, and you see the kind of pressure when you're playing such matches, because these are short matches, and 2020 is fast paced. This is just 7 overs match. So 7 overs match, you see a score of 80, 90, and it's also being chased. So it's a very exciting competition and very fast paced game. So these young guys, they just play up to the potential, and you see fantastic performance. And these tournaments are live on 7 Star Digital all over Mumbai and also on YouTube. Thank you.